In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to list view in Google Drive. Let's dive into the process together. We'll start by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter Google Drive's URL, or select it from your bookmarks if it's saved. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a few icons on the right hand side of the screen, and this is where our focus will be. Next, direct your attention to the list layout icon, typically represented by a grid of lines. This icon is located near the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this icon will switch your view from the default grid view to the list view. This option is particularly useful if you prefer to see more detailed information about your files at a glance, such as their names, dates modified, and sizes, all laid out neatly in a list. After you've successfully changed to list view, let's explore some additional features you might find useful. Head back to the home page if you've navigated away. Now, look for the highlight feature. This option can be identified by a slight change in the UI, where certain files or folders may have a colored outline or shadow. Clicking on this highlight feature can help you quickly access recent files, or those you've interacted with frequently. Once you're familiar with the highlighted items, you might want to learn more about a specific file. To do this, click on the file you're interested in and a menu will appear. From there, select the File Information option. This step is crucial if you wish to view more detailed data about the file, like its size, owner, and more. For those who need additional details, there's an option labeled Details within the same menu. By clicking on Details, you'll unlock more specificity about the file, which could be useful for organizing or categorizing your files. Continuing within the options presented, you may want to examine who has access to your files. Select Manage Access if you wish to review or alter who can view or edit your documents. This can be indispensable if you're working collaboratively. After reviewing access permissions, you might encounter a situation where altering roles is necessary. Click on Editor to modify permissions for collaborators, allowing you to designate editors, commenters, or viewers. Finally, for a more significant change, you might elect to transfer ownership of a file. At the bottom of your options, select Transfer Ownership. This is particularly relevant if you're part of a project where responsibilities shift, or if you're handing off duties to another team member. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly change to list view in Google Drive and take advantage of other useful features. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your Google Drive experience more efficient and enjoyable.